While you're asleep, someone is mastering Gemini AI to replace your entire workflow. Don't fall behind. In this video, we'll cover everything from the
Welcome to the Complete Gemini AI Tutorial 2026. This video will take you from a beginner to an advanced user of Google's powerful multimodal AI assistant, ready to integrate it into your entire workflow. What is Gemini AI? It's Google DeepMind's most capable multimodal model, meaning it understands and generates text, images, audio, video, and code. It is also deeply integrated across the entire Google
The evolution
workspace.
of Gemini
started as Google Bard in 2023. It rapidly advanced, rebranding to Gemini in 2024 with the Ultra, Pro, and Nano models. Now, with Gemini 2.0 Ultra, the future of real-time, Gemini's
AI
features are vast, covering content generation, coding assistance, and research support. As a multimodal AI, it excels at image, audio, and video understanding, alongside real-time web searches to access Gemini AI. First, ensure you have a Google account. You can visit the Gemini web app directly, or download the free app for mobile. For power users, Gemini Advanced unlocks the Ultra model and deeper
The Gemini
interface is intuitive. Key components include the model selector, the chat window for history, and the prompt input box. Don't forget the Google Extensions toggle to connect your workspace and the file upload button for
To get
multimodal
10x
inputs.
results.
Use the CRAFT framework for prompt engineering. Clearly state the context, define the role of the AI, specify the action, determine the output format, and clarify the tone or task. A pro tip is to ask the AI to pose clarifying questions
For students,
before starting. Gemini is an ideal 24/7 study partner. Use it for homework help, summarizing research papers, and converting notes into flashcards. It's excellent for exam preparation, creating study plans.
Content
and
creators
language
can
can save 15 to 20 hours per week using Gemini consistently. Use it for writing SEO blogs, generating YouTube scripts, drafting social media posts, optimizing SEO, and creating full 30-day content
For
calendars
developers,
instantly. Gemini acts as your AI pair programmer. Use it to generate complex code, debug errors, explain difficult hooks line by line, optimize database queries, document modules, and convert code between
Gemini
programming languages. Unlocks the full power of Gemini Ultra. Key features include deep research for comprehensive reports, 1 million token context for large files, workspace integration, advanced image analysis, and Gemini Live for real-time voice
When comparing
conversations.
Gemini
to ChatGPT, consider your existing workflow. Gemini excels at Google integration and free real-time search. ChatGPT offers strong writing and a wider plugin ecosystem. The best strategy is often to use both for maximum
Gemini
results.
has
Real-world applications across every industry. It supports business with market research, education with study plans, marketing with ad copy, programming with code generation, and data analytics with chart interpretation and Become
SQL
a Gemini
queries.
power user with these hacks. Pin your most used chats and use the @ symbol to activate extensions for live context. Use continue from here for lost conversations. Finally, utilize multi-step prompts for complex
Looking
chain
ahead,
tasks. The future of Gemini is exciting. Current developments include agentic AI to complete multi-step tasks autonomously and integration with Google's AR glasses. You can also currently use video generation and multilingual expansion with native fluency in over 100 languages. The people who learn this NLW will be the ones who lead their industries. Let's summarize your next steps. Remember, Gemini is Google's #1 AI. Use the Craft framework for better prompts. Gemini Advanced is a powerful tool. Connect Google extensions to supercharge your workflow and practice 10 prompts daily. Those who master this wave will lead the next decade. Pick one thing from this video and do it today. Thank you for watching. I read and reply to every single comment, so drop your questions below. Your feedback also helps shape the next video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please support the channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, sharing with friends, and following on all social platforms. Your support keeps this channel alive. See you in the next video.